Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're playing Zombie Attack, and I got to the 20th, no, not the 20th, the second to the most popular game. So let me just get started. I'll be back when I'm in, guys. And I'm in, and so far we're already playing. Let's get the bees. Like right there, just gotta shoot them. You get the spam click, and then. There's a zombie back there. He's got this K button spam clicking. Void zombie. I got fast zombie. Die. There we go. Then we got a normal zombie. I can't get this. We have not that much. We have a lot of time. These people have like machine guns. And just to tell you, the next video I'm probably going to do is like, I'm going to try to get on Happy Wheels. And then on a, what's it called? So we got the wave cleared. So what's this? Oh, this is like where you buy the pistols. It's not loaded in. You just take that out, and I'm just gonna spam that zombies. Okay, I think it's way better to play in person as well. Uh oh, this guy's in trouble. I got one. Don't die. Just make sure he doesn't die. Oh. Okay. Yes! Oh my god. Stay away. Okay. So we just help that guy survive. Let's kill that zombie. Yeah, this game is actually pretty fun. It has like 25,000 people playing it. This is my first time playing it, and I'm only like level 1. And I might do another video of this. Oh, hello zombie. Oh, that's that. You can stand basically somewhere and just spam click. If these guys know Tofu, he already played this and made a video about it, so you've probably seen it from Tink Zombie. That was no one zombie. Oh, and then like I need to. So let's see if I could like. Okay. Get all the guns you could buy. So yeah, that's what you basically do, and so yeah, behind you, dude. There we go. And if you guys could just tell me how, like, whatever game you want me to play. It doesn't need to be on Roblox, it just be anything. And that Tank Zombie is ridiculous stupid. Because Void Zombie, I'm gonna come and kill you. Maybe. Die. Oh my god, this guy needs help. For me. Okay, Vampire Zombie. So stupid. Okay, we just need 50 more bucks. Not 50. Less than $50 more, and then we could buy that gun. 2 more until waves. Okay, and I'll be right back. I'm going to get to the boss, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm on the boss. Totally the boss. Okay, I'm on the boss round, and I got this revolver, and I'm just trying to find this thing guy. The ghost. My god, his health is going far down. There he is. I get how you just get like free infinite. Oh no, that's the first damage I ever lost. Kill him. Wait, where did he go? Oh wow. I guess that makes sense since he's the ghost. Leave that person alone. Okay, after I kill this, it's gonna be the end of the video. Oh, I thought I died. I was like, I'll probably say no. Stay away from me, ghost. Try to get the last kill. Oh, I go. Woo! Oh, boy, we could just buy this machine gun now. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. If you have videos, tell me.